So if you were going to expand first, you're going to do something called the distributive property, where you multiply the 3 by the x and the 3 by the 2. So it becomes 3x plus 6 equals 21. And then you subtract 6 from both sides. Then you have 3x equals 15. You divide by 3, x equals 5. Now, if you were to divide first, instead of multiplying 3 by everything inside the parentheses, we're going to divide on both sides of the sign by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times x plus 2 is just x plus 2. And 21 divided by 3 is 7. Subtract 2 from both sides. X equals 5. Looks like the divide first is actually a little shorter.